Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the viral height comparison trend video on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So a height comparison website has gone viral on TikTok, and users can see how tall they would look next to other people, whether that is celebrities or even their crushes. So let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok. So on your phone, you want to go ahead and open up Safari or Google Chrome. Next, you want to tap on search, and you're searching for hikaku sitatter. So this is the website, hikaku-sitatter.com. I'll put this up on the video. So the website is really simple to use. So you just need to enter the names of the people you're comparing and select their gender and their height. So if you want to compare more people, then you can add as many as you like. The limit is 10. So as you can see, there's already 2 people added, but you can go ahead and add all the people you want to compare it with. Now, once you've added all the people on this chart, you want to go ahead and take a screenshot and then post this photo to TikTok. And that way you'll be able to create the height comparison trend video on TikTok. So if this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.